Welcome to the testing world. In this session, we are going to understand basics of JMeter. So first we need to understand what is JMeter. JMeter is an open source tool from Apache. It's mainly for the performance testing. But it also provides a lot of assertions with the help of which we can validate the response which is coming from the server. So we can use it for the regression testing as well, but that is mainly for the performance testing only. It's a Java based window application. So it supports different type of applications, like we can work on the HTTP protocol, we can work on web service, LDAP, JDBC, Java, FTP, and many more. It supports distributed testing. So means we can apply load from the different machines. In a real-time environment, servers are hit by number of users which are sitting on a different machines. So if you want to perform real-time scenarios by putting the load on the server from the different machine, that scenario is called distributed testing, and we can perform this distributed testing by using JMeter. So we can apply load on a server from the different machines by using JMeter. Here we have a small example of the distributed testing, like here we have the server and we are going to apply load from the different machines. So these are the machines from where we are going to apply load, and that is my server. So that's the distributed environment that we have. Moving to the next part, as we know, JMeter is mainly a tool for performance testing. So first we need to understand basic concepts of the performance testing. So performance testing can be defined as a process to analyze the system over a period of time under different conditions. So conditions could be normal and abnormal. So performance testing can be performed under large number of users. Database size is constant. Under constant number of users, but we are increasing the DB size, increasing both, like in first case we have increased number of users but the database size is constant. In the second case we have constant number of users but the DB size is increasing, and the third could be we are increasing the size of the database as well as number of users. In performance testing, we mainly consider to evaluate non-functional results. Non-functional results involve response time, network uses, system resources uses, and few other factors. So the aim of the performance testing is to not to check the functional criteria, because once the functional testing is done, only after that we are going for the performance testing. Aim is to check non-functional factors. So we have different types of performance testing, like first testing is the load testing. Load testing is performed in the normal conditions. So normal conditions means if we have the expected number of users 100, while performing the load test, we are going to apply load of 100 to 110 users. So here we are doing performance testing in normal condition. Normal conditions means we are applying the load till expected number of users. Aim of this testing is to find out the point when performance start to degrade. So here the aim is find out when performance degrade. The second testing is the stress testing. It is performed in the abnormal conditions. Expected users are 100. Then we will start performance testing, or we'll start stress testing from the 100 users, and we are going to increase user constantly until my application is break. So it is performed in the abnormal conditions. If application is designed for the 100 user, we are going to apply much more than 100 users. The aim of this type of testing is to find out the point when application will break. The next testing is the volume testing. In volume testing, we keep number of users constant, but we are going to increase the size of the database, and then we will check what is the impact of this heavy data on the performance of the application. Welcome